going on, guys? It's your boy Holloway here, and we are back with another video. Today we got the Ghost times Atlanta meet going on. We got everybody pulling up here. We got J1K right there. A lot of people out here, but just know next time I will be in that group chat next time. I'm gonna go holler at my boy Scar over here. He finally got his bike back, man. What's up, baby? What's going on, man? Got it back, got it back. Got that bike back? What up, bro? Hell yeah. Thank God, what happened? Was it you? Don't worry, I got warranty on the bike, so I'm fixing it right now. Okay, that's what's up. That's four motor wheels. What up, my guy? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Got this beautiful S1 carrier and just clear clutch cover. All this blue carbon. It's a sight to see in person. It looks way better in person. Another S1K right here with the clear clutch cover.
No, I have the R6, but I had that other R6.
Crazy.
I actually got rid of it.
It's a lot of carbon.
Yeah, and it needed...
Those Brimbos are crazy. Love the little accents. This little accents make a big difference. Of this freaking chaos. Hopefully this footage looks good. I just had to freaking put my SD card back in my camera because I forgot one for my freaking drone. But look at this, that's beautiful. That AP4 is freaking beautiful. Got some carbon on there, got the lever guards. Man, yeah, it's about to get rowdy. Let's go. Oh my God. So, here we go. Got the fast lane game merged. Let's go. Saying in these videos, guys, if you're not here, you're missing out, baby. You're missing out. I mean, I know group rides are not everyone's cup of tea, but you know, I think you two have fun riding the bag with everybody, getting that experience, especially if you don't do it that often. Hopefully this footage turns out all right, because your boy, his GoPro got ran over. And I have to use my backup camera, which is a GoPro 8. It has ND filters, but I got it on auto right now, just so I don't get because the ND filters that come with it, I don't want to rock to hit it and then it just shatters and then all my video is not any good. Especially riding on a bunch of bikes, like rocks get thrown like crazy. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have lost almost half the group. Well, I say that, but I say we lost about half the group. We got the boy John here. What up? Okay, everybody's catching up slowly. I just had to friggin' maul through because I can't wait. I'm not about to sit here and wait. This is too much chaos, too much people to keep up with. I keep up with not 3 people riding, so we're gonna head out and get there a little bit earlier than everybody else. I don't know. I think it's over there. Alright. Tried to help this guy get out of the road. Fortunately, he went down. But man, like, I don't even know if I was fucking recording, but like, I'm an EMT. I don't want anybody laying in the middle of a freeway. Get him. Come on, I'm a surgical tech. I don't give a fuck what you are. Get this guy off the fuck of the road. I'm not gonna move him, but if he's good to move himself, help him move, bro. Get out of the fucking road. Don't get ran over. Jesus Christ. We're about to pull it to the meet now. We're late as crap. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, man. I'm kind of over all this. Like, so much stuff has happened, bro. Like, it's just so annoying when stuff happens, and like, you can't do anything about it. And it's like, just, I don't know. It's just a little thing of mine. I can't stand getting places like not on time and like just taking back roads and stopping 30 million times. Like, I helped the dude out the road that wrecked. Like, I can't help that. Like, I'm gonna stop. I have a duty to act. But it's just like, I hate being like the fucking lead of everything. Like, why can't people just lead themselves? Like, if they get separated from me or like anything, like, they just rely on me, and it's like, bro, I just want to just get there, man. I just want to get there by myself. Oh, it's just so stressful, brother. I don't even know if this freaking angle is good. Like, I'm worried about too many things, and then my phone keeps blowing up. Like, I'm just trying to get to the meet, bro. I'm just trying to get there, and I can't even do that. Like, God. Like, the frustration, and it's not even like the people, it's just like the things, and then on top of that, it's just like little, after that, it's just, once you're mad, it's just little stuff starts pissing you off. So I can't help to fucking be mad at something, and one little thing pisses me off.
Literally just said the event is shut down.
Are you for real?
I'm dead ass. They literally just said the event shut down.
Bro, why is it shut down?
I don't know. Nobody's fucking revving. Nobody's doing anything crazy.
Are there hoodies up there?
Huh?
Are there hoodies up there?
I don't know. Kendall said he got one.
I need to get a fucking hoodie.
I got bad news for y'all.
I need to get a hoodie.
Huh?
I need to get a hoodie.
Yeah, I got one.
No, I need to get one. Yo. I just pulled up. Like, I got too much shit going on. I don't know. I need to get a hoodie. I need to get two. I'm walking up. I'm gonna carry my glove over there. I'm slightly agitated right now. Hold on. I'm walking up there. Trying to find a way over there. Hell. Excuse me. Like, I see everybody with fucking hoodies. I need to get one of those. Them bitches clean for real.
Let's go! Everybody go home! Get out of line, go home!
Yeah, I'm in line. What up?
Everybody can stay in the road, go home.
Oh, let me go say hey. Hello.
How are you?
Long time no see.
Likewise, likewise.
You good?
Good. You just got here?
Yeah.
Are you with Jonathan though?
No,
I didn't pull up.
I didn't get.
What are you doing?
I'm going back to Airbnb. Cause I mean, my girl's been sitting here waiting, and then we get here an hour later, and she's mad at me. She's about to drive home.
Kendall's dad is asking where we're riding to.
Nowhere. We're going to the Airbnb.
Going back to the Airbnb?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, this fucking event got shut down. Somebody fucking died apparently. All this crazy shit happened. I don't know what the fuck's going on. They're not letting us buy merch. Mentally, I'm fucking over this shit, bro. Like, just nothing. Like, everything about this day has been complete shit. Like, except for hanging out with my friends. Other than that, like, I don't fucking know anymore. Like, this shit is just crazy, bro. I don't even know what up with this video. Like, I might as well scrap this fucking video, to be honest with you. Phone's on 11%. People call me like, bro, I don't fucking know, bro. I don't fucking know.